Okay, so
nice clean cut.
This will be your board to throw hatchets at.
Dude, just what I needed. Perfect, Alan.
This will be a board
yeah,
to
hell
throw
yeah.
hatchets at.
Yeah.
Set it up.
Absolutely. Perfect, thank you. So we're gonna put the anvil on here right now. So we'll show you to you in a minute. All right, this is it. We're gonna mount it to that log.
So 19 and a half.
Yeah. That Alan cut for me, so we can start forging some stuff. He wants me to forge him another axe. He liked the one I made him last time. So I can cut another log for me like this one. We're gonna cut this one down too, in case we get another anvil. We'll put that one on there and the bigger one on the other one. Right, Alan?
You got it.
Right on. Nice. How many people are privileged to have something like this for their anvil, huh? Huh, Alan? Nice.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. What's this piece of wood for now? This is one I could make dip the bow in, huh?
Yep.